Markets mixed. What are they expecting? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Bubba Horowitz with you. And of course, a pretty interesting day today, the day before the midterms tomorrow. It's been quiet as we suspected it would be. However, the Dow is after being lower about 100, is spiked to be up about 200 right now. The NASDAQ, which was down almost 100, which actually was higher than it was down almost 100, is now rallying back down only about 40 or 50 right now. The Russell has been lower pretty much all day, and the S&P finally just popped up and is up about 15 points. And by the way, this is about 3 o'clock Eastern time. This is being filmed. There's not much to say here. I mean, it figured to be quiet. The volume is quiet. There is not much going on. It looks to me that you're seeing a bet for possibly the holding of the House. Excuse me, the Republicans losing the House, retaining the Senate, maybe picking up a few seats, and of course the president. So some people say the market's like gridlock, and maybe that's what they're betting on here. I don't think that's going to be the case. I actually think there'll be a red wave, or I think the red will keep the House and the Senate. We'll see how it plays out. I think in any case, to me, the markets are going to go lower no matter what. Okay, I think if you get if Republicans hold on to the House and the Senate, I think you get a rally followed by a sell-off. If they lose both, I think you get a huge sell-off. And if they split, you can see some flat action followed by a sell-off. In other words, I think we're going lower from here, although there's going to be some rallies, but I think we look to be a seller. But in a day like today is a great day to take a nap, go play golf, go swimming, go to lunch, anything but watch the markets, because there really is no action. There's no two-way trade. There's not much going on, so there's really not a purpose to be involved there. Oil tried to rally, is now turned lower, back around 63. It got up to 64. Gold has been within a couple of bucks either way. The dollar is relatively flat. The bonds have spiked up a little bit, which could be a little bit of a fear trade. But again, anything that happens today, I put no credence into what it's going to mean for tomorrow. This is being done on very light and very thin volume. So there's a lot of rumors, innuendo. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. So we're looking for an opportunity for a spot to potentially sell the markets. The grains were very mixed. Corn was strong. Soybeans and wheat were slightly weak. The meats were weak today. Not such a surprise. We wrote over the weekend that we expect to see a little sell-off in feeders and fats, and they sold off. And, of course, we thought hogs made their run, hit 60.20, and should pull back probably to 55 right now. So at the end of the day, I think it's a great market to observe now. Again, one of the things you have to remember about being in the markets, investing and or trading, is you don't need to be too aggressive. There are times to be aggressive and there are times to be passive. Now, today's action indicates that we're very mixed up. Nobody really knows which way they're going to go, so you're seeing a lot of movement. Apple's getting clobbered. A lot of the NASDAQ stocks are getting clobbered. But in the meantime, we really haven't gone anywhere. There's nothing really to get crazy about. So the best thing to do some days is we call it to either go fishing or cut bait. Today we're going to cut bait. There's nothing really to fish for. So we'll continue to observe. I think the markets will probably be like this and through Wednesday, depending if they can get a result tomorrow. I think what you'll see tomorrow, you might see some volatility as they start to get some indication. This guy's going to win. Oh, the market's going to rally. This guy's going to win. Oh, this is going to sell up. So you can see some of that. But again, I would expect this action to be quiet for the next couple of days. I don't expect to see a lot. I think any surprise in this market will be to the downside. But it doesn't mean we're going to get one. So to me, it's a great time, as I said. Go play golf, go to lunch, do anything. Don't watch the market right now. There's not much to do. I think you sit back, relax, and observe, and wait for a better opportunity. In the meantime, make sure, go out and vote. I don't care who you vote for. Go out and vote. Get off the couch. Go push the buttons and vote for somebody. Again, we need to get Americans back into voting and taking care of what we should be doing and making sure that we're making the right decisions. And again, whatever the right decision for you, that's the right decision. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Bubba Horowitz. And of course, don't forget about our high school program, highschoolinvesting.com. If you'd like to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, Monday Night Football. Got to like them Cowboys. We'll take Dallas minus the 5.5 tonight. And of course, we will see you back here tomorrow with more of Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. Make sure you get out there and vote. We'll see you tomorrow.